What's up, guys? Welcome back. Scott McCall from Teen Wolf, Patreon request from Parzival. Landscape page, pencil eraser. Hit pause if we go too fast. This is kind of how to draw a Wolfman as well. Kind of a general. Might put it in the Halloween playlist. So, yeah. Let's give this a go. Pencil eraser. Let's go. So we're going to start with like his frowning eye because he got this big prosthetic thing going on. So, okay. So I guess like a check mark or a tick sort of like starting here, about the center point of my page here, just along the halfway. And this kind of curves over his eye. Right, so it's kind of like it gets a bit hairy. Things get a bit hairy, so it goes down this way, right? And this kind of like becomes his eyebrow and his eye somewhere, right? And the eyebrow comes out from here, right? So it's kind of like this sort of hairy, sort of spiky thing. Just going back that way, okay? So the eye itself then is underneath this big frown, right? So this sort of very thin eye shape just here. And he's got like some eyelashes that stick down this way. Well, they look like eyelashes. It could just be wrinkles or something. Right, and then his iris and pupils, so he's got like a big golden eye, right? Kind of just here. And his pupil just kind of looking up underneath the eyebrow, right? So heavy frown. We have eyelashes sticking out the bottom, so you just do this kind of dash line with little spikes sticking out of it. Bottom eyelashes are always smaller than the top ones. So then he's got like bags underneath his eyes. So like roughly sort of like bags there. Right, and then like some more sort of wrinkles and stuff, right? So on his nose. And it's kind of the same on the other side, right? So you got that frown for the eyebrow again, just coming across the eye. And you're about, we've got a bit of a head tilt, right? So that's why that's kind of higher up, but eye width roughly across here. Right, we've got that eye shape here with the eyebrow coming out from it and getting kind of spiky and, you know, exaggerated and hairy and stuff. Right, and then maybe another one of those nose wrinkles just there. Right, and then the shape for the bottom of that eye, just there. And then his iris. And pupil, so looking up. There. And then those sort of bottom eyelash lines. And bags underneath the eye. So we got like a few more wrinkles just on his nose here. Right. And then the nose itself, so nostrils curving around the side here. And then this goes down around the tip of the nose, around to there. And you might have like a little nostril sort of shadow sort of there. Not really as much on this side, but just for symmetry's sake. Okay. Boom. Right. So big wide open mouth, right? So there's all these pulled skin lines on the side of the mouth, just coming down here from his cheeks. Right. So you can already kind of make it out now. Side of his head there. And the mouth is in here real wide, right? So basically do this sort of stretched out top lip line. There. And then this goes down. And here. Right, and then the top lip. Kind of there. The bottom lip sort of be, skin's all pulled and stuff, but down there. And then we can see fangs. So like big gnarly fangs here on the side. And then sort of normal teeth just here on the front. Okay, and then the fangs here at the front kind of stick up differently. So we're like looking down into his mouth. So we're kind of going to go this way with them. Right, and around like that. So you can kind of see them sticking up around into his mouth like that, right? And then we have the denture, well, they are dentures, but the gum line along the bottom here. And then his molars coming out from behind all that. So going into the back of his mouth. His tongue is kind of like flicked up, but I think it will be easier for us. Maybe, so like that's like the back of his mouth in there. It's like all skin here. Just thinking the best way to do his mouth, maybe just a standard sort of tongue line, because we can't see the back of his throat. So maybe there. He's kind of like flicking up in the picture. I'm just not too gone on drawing something like that, because I don't think it would work. So we'll go for this. Yeah, I think this will work better. Like his tongue in the picture is going up towards the roof of his mouth. So don't like that. So we'll just like do this kind of a thing, and then just like skin all in here. Right, that's not too bad. And then the chin, square enough. And then goes up onto his jaw, right? And we meet a load of hair, basically, up here. So you've got all these wrinkles on his face. And then his jaw is like, it's all hair, kind of then out here. So it goes like basically to like All these hair spikes. Real hairy. And like real hairy on the face then as well. It's like a beard, but sideburns kind of. It goes all the way around his eyes and everything. And he's got this like V in the middle. And I'm going to do some like wrinkles across here and stuff. So this is all like hair and hair spikes, and I think his hair starts to just go up this way then. Okay. And he's no hair on his chin, so it's just sideburns and then up here. So then he has like elf-like ears, right, sticking out from the side of his head, roughly here. His earlobes go down into there. So roughly here, pointy ears like that. And you can add like ear lines on the inside. Like so. Then we get the rest of his hair in. So he's got like a big fringe, right? But so say like coming up all here. So he's got like all these hair spikes that seem to like come along the front, kind of like sticking up flat up. And then goes kind of this way then. This is like all at the front of his fringe sort of area. Just all there. And then he's another layer that goes around the back of his head, right? So it's kind of like in behind this, and they're kind of like shorter spikes just going around, kind of normal-ish sort of hair. Just coming around. Kind of flat just all around there. Just this part sort of here, and then texture lines that go that direction and then down this direction. You don't have to do too much of that now, because if you shade it brown or color, shade it dark or color it brown, I'll do that work for you. But that is kind of what his hair is like from the picture I'm looking at anyway. Okay, so you can see the line where his mask joins his body. It's kind of funny. But right, so t-shirt, I guess. Yeah, t-shirt first. It's kind of like this V. There. And then his neck muscles that way always joins the collarbones. You know, your neck muscles go into your center line for your chest, and then you'll have like another neck muscle just going up towards your jaw. You know, we'll add a vein because we can, because when it's your drawing, you can do what you want. Jugular vein there. And then collar, denim. I never watched this show, just full disclosure, so. Don't know anything about it. And then the collar of his denim jacket comes down this way. It's got, you know, one of those curves on it, and like it goes down that way. Stitching lines and fold lines and stuff. It's denim, so well, it looks like corded sort of denim. And then we have a shoulder. Well, we all have shoulders, but his one seems to like bump and fold just down this way, right? And then the other side, kind of a bit lower down. Stitching coming across like the top here on his shoulder. And then like stitching coming down this way. Bit of a pocket or something there, but you can just see the top of it. Fold lines on fabric are always essential. Just these little sort of lines like that. Right. Always looking for little touches you could do. No hair on his chin. I think that's good. Scott McCall, hope it's helpful. Anyone else with requests, unusual requests, kind of like this one that I don't normally do, head over to Patreon. You don't have to stay signed up. You could just sign up for one request and then cancel. So, hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.